Hey guys, it's Glen. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hey, I just came across this really cool video, and how would you like to get paid for doing social media? Like just going on Facebook and getting paid for liking stuff on Facebook, or liking stuff on Instagram, or watching stuff on TikTok and getting paid for it. Because that's what a ton of people are doing. And it's not really hard. Like you can start making like 30, 50 bucks an hour just doing stuff on social. This is what other people are getting paid for, just liking stuff and interacting on social media. And hey, if you're already on social media doing it, why not get paid for it? What I want to do is I want to show you a quick video of this news article I found. Let me grab it here. Watch this and then I'll be right back, because I want to give you something that's really going to help you actually do what they're talking about in the video. So watch this, okay? Oh, wait, I gotta find the right one. Where is it? Let me find, hold on. I thought I had it queued up, but I didn't. Here we go. Check this out.
Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. They're not only a way to stay connected these days, but they're also very important tools for businesses. Some companies now dishing out hefty salaries to help manage their social media presence. Fox 7's Fody Kalergis joining us with more on that. Hey, Fody.
Hey, Mike. Yeah, this social media thing has really given birth to an entire new industry. Meet the social media managers. They get paid to tweet, follow, make Facebook posts, and to keep your business relevant. The best part, some are making six figures doing it.
I got laid off. It was a time when that was happening.
It was about 2 years ago. Kate Buck was like millions around the country, unemployed with lots of time to reflect.
I had been playing around a lot on Twitter and Facebook, and what I saw was, I just started noticing, I saw people who had large followings, people whose followings were growing. I saw a lot of complaining that they had so many direct messages and private messages, or they had so many replies that they couldn't manage it all.
It was then Kate seized the opportunity and started KBJ Online, a social media management company that tweets, writes posts, pokes, and blogs for major brands around Austin.
It's flexible and it's fun, so it's not a job that I hate doing every day. You know, I get to play on Facebook and Twitter for a living, so I enjoy what I do. I get to, make my own hours and work with the clients I want to work with.
Right now, she manages about 12 accounts, either on her computer or on her iPhone. The tweets carefully crafted and strategically executed.
I think it's just great that she can offer her assistance in teaching people how to do stuff.
Mackenzie Kelly just broke into the industry. By day, she's a county employee and volunteer firefighter.
I actually schedule tweets. It's just kind of a couple hours here, a couple hours there on the weekend.
And on her off time, she manages a handful of social media accounts.
This year, part-time, I've made about $5,500. I charge anywhere between $200 and $300 to get all the social media going for a company.
Right now, the going rate for a full-time social media manager is about $40,000. That's just to tweet and Facebook all day long.
Is that nuts? Just getting paid to tweet on Twitter or post on Facebook or Instagram, it's pretty amazing. So what I want to do is, guys, I want to show you this I want to give you this PDF so that you can do the same thing. Okay, it's called let me show you here. It's called Make Money Messing Around on Facebook. Just stick your email in the email there and I'll send it right off to you. It's very, very, very cool, and there's all the information you need to really get started making money on social media, and it's a very cool thing. So just go down below, click the link, and you will get access to that, and see if you can start generating some income. I mean, I can't guarantee anything because I don't know what you'll do, but I know that people make a ton of money doing this stuff. So if other people can do it, if a firefighter can do it, why can't you do it, right? So if you want to get paid for messing around on social media, basically get paid for basically going on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or any of those, then this is definitely what you want to check it out. So click the link below, grab the PDF. Everything that you need is in there, and you'll be able to basically go out there and start making money posting on Facebook, or just messing around on Facebook, which you already did. Excuse me, guys. Basically, I hope this is really helpful for you. I want you guys to start making money. So if you like my channel, it's all about ways of making money online. Some of them are more technical. Some of them are very, very simple. Check out some of the videos here of some really cool programs that can help you. But definitely check out the link below and start making money on social media. All right, guys. Cheers.